The 2025 Toyota Crown Signia. In the United States, they call this an SUV because Toyota is smart. They know if they call this a station wagon, nobody would buy it, but you call it an SUV, everyone is going to be all over it. However, this is a little bit confusing because this is just out of control, the amount of products that Toyota is coming out with. Their lineup is really oversaturated with SUVs right now. Choice is cool, but let me know in the comment section, are they doing too much? Are they confusing the consumers at this point with all of these products? Now, if they stopped making the Venza, that would make more sense because this could replace that. But as of right now, they haven't confirmed or denied that they're gonna stop building other products. But I'll be honest, I'm pretty excited for this. I think this will be one of the best Toyota products on sale right now because it's a Crown. And I've tested the current Crown sedan, and it was the XLE trim, and I've praised that vehicle multiple times now on this channel. The Crown sedan feels great to drive. It's got a solid interior space. It's not super noisy in the cabin. No crazy engine noises or wind noise, nothing like that. It's just a really well done quality product made in Japan, much like this Crown SUV, the Signia. It's also going to be made in Japan. And let's go ahead and let's talk about this Crown Signia and what it has to offer. All right, this is going to be exclusively a hybrid powertrain with 243 horsepower. All-wheel drive is going to be standard, and it will get 36 mpg combined. No issues there. Toyota's hybrid powertrain system, it's bulletproof. It comes with that eCVT, which also pretty much has no issues with it. And after driving the XLE Crown sedan, that thing had plenty of power for everyday street driving. It wasn't super noisy. They did a good job insulating the cabin. Let's go over some other quick facts. We have a new stylish exterior, and I'll be very curious to hear your thoughts in the comment section regarding the looks of this. Most people have agreed that it does look great. I think it looks okay. I don't think it's amazing or jaw-dropping, but it's a decent looking product. It kind of has those Maserati Grecale taillights in the rear. I think most people, they should be okay with it. And you will be able to get available 21-inch wheels. There's two trim levels, the XLE and then you have the Limited. There's no Platinum with this model yet, similar to the Crown sedan, which also comes with a more performance-oriented hybrid powertrain system. They have not unveiled that with this Signia, nor does this product need it. The regular 243 horsepower hybrid is going to be more than enough for most people, and I would definitely rather stick with the XLE because Toyota is doing a great job in offering useful standard features. So XLE is fine, and that's going to come with 19-inch wheels, which should ride a lot better. And you have the premium interior space that's similar to the Crown sedan with available leather trim seating and pano glass roof. They're saying it's going to have a quiet cabin space, and if you fold down the second row seats, you're going to have a 6.5 foot long cargo area. So that's great. You can even camp out in the Crown Signia if you want. And a 12.3 inch infotainment screen, that's going to be standard, along with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. So those are your quick facts, just so you can get a good idea. I'll go into more details here in a little bit. I wish they would share more specs regarding this SUV. They haven't shared that here, but as we can see from the pictures, it looks like a very spacious vehicle, which is my complaint with the Crown sedan. It just doesn't have the headroom to make it roomy. That's just what most people want. The legroom in the back was okay, and that trunk space in the Crown sedan was pretty pathetic. And I think Toyota realized this. Who knows, they might even stop making both the Crown sedan and the Venza, and this might just take the place of both. But yeah, a 40K sedan is a hard sell. A lot of companies, they did away with the full-size sedan segment. Nobody buys it. Instead of buying an Avalon, people just bought the Camry. Instead of buying a Maxima, people just buy an Altima instead. In fact, the reason why most people buy sedans is because it's cheaper than an SUV. Nowadays, nobody really cares about driving, especially in the United States. It's a sad thing to say, but it's just the truth. So SUVs have pretty much taken over in the US, and yeah, legroom in the back looks really spacious with this SUV, and the cargo capacity, even with the seats up, seems really cavernous. Now, we already mentioned that this is going to be a hybrid only. It's going to have the tried and true 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with 2 electric motor generators, producing once again 243 combined system net horsepower. The on-demand all-wheel drive system comes standard. This vehicle can tow up to 2,700 pounds if that's important to you. Gets 36 mpg combined, and yeah, one of the best hybrid systems. Once again, that naturally aspirated 4-cylinder, when I drove the Crown sedan, it wasn't really loud like it is in some of the other Toyota products. They did a good job in refining this. They're saying that Toyota engineers spent countless hours studying and engineering reductions in noise, vibration, and harshness for the Crown Signia. And noise minimizing materials include acoustic glass on front side windows, a dash silencer, and an engine cover made of acoustic absorbing materials. See, it's not that these companies are stupid. They know how to make quiet products. They just choose not to do it for cost-cutting purposes. But see, once you get up in the higher 40, 50K realm in pricing, now all of a sudden they know how to make a proper vehicle. Now they start to implement the NVH reducing measures, and it begins to make a difference. And that's exactly what I felt when I drove the Crown sedan. Now with the interior space, the XLE is going to come with the fabric and the Softex seats, which are great. I love that, really comfortable. And overall, this interior space is identical to what you find in the Crown sedan, which again, great thing because that was a solid place to spend time in. Of course, you move up to the limited trim, you get more features, you get the full leather interior, you got your physical buttons and switches for your HVAC controls. That's really well done. You got the 12.3-inch infotainment with the wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto and a wireless charging pad. That's standard even on an XLE, so as you can see, you really don't have to step up in trim level to the limited. Toyota is really packing in a lot of useful features in their base models now. The base audio system is going to be a 6-speaker, but the limited is going to get the 11-speaker JBL. Sometimes their audio systems, it's a hit or a miss. I didn't get a chance to check out the audio system in the Crown that I tested, and it seems like you have to move up to the limited trim if you want the HomeLink garage door system and the digital rear view mirror camera. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. That comes standard with blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert. You move up to the limited, you get some additional features like the 360 camera, etc. So overall, a great, practical, quality vehicle from Toyota, okay, made in Japan. We don't have the official pricing and they haven't even shared with us any specs, but I'm assuming this is going to start at over 40 grand, similar to the sedan Crown. And let me know in the comment section, is this something that you want to buy? Are you excited for this? Will you put a deposit down? Obviously, there's not going to be any discounts at the beginning because this is going to be a new, fresh vehicle. But do you think this SUV should replace the Crown sedan and the Venza? Let me know your thoughts. But thank you so much for watching. Take care and goodbye.